Welcome back. High-pressure sales tactics have always dogged the timeshare industry, and one local senior says she thinks they target the elderly on purpose. Calvin has more on the tug-of-war between Wyndham Vacation Resorts and one woman's money.
Mildred Folds of Bridgeport, Alabama, says she's on the brink of bankruptcy in her golden years, all because of Wyndham, one of the largest timeshare companies in the world. Now, this spry 76-year-old senior is fighting back. Mrs. Folds always loved the visits to her timeshare property at the Wyndham Resort at Fairfield Glade near Crossville, Tennessee, except for one thing.
Fairfield Glade, there's absolutely nothing to do there unless you want to fish.
She began staying at the Wyndham Smoky Mountain Resort near Sevierville, Tennessee, and that's when her ordeal began. She says salespeople were always after her to buy more timeshare points to be able to stay.
That you've got to buy more. You have to buy more to be able to do what you need to do and want to do.
She tried to resist, but she says the salespeople kept pushing to get her signature on contracts for more points.
30 or 40 times, everything that you've got to initial or sign, you don't have time to read it.
Before she knew it, Mrs. Folds had more than 3 million timeshare points and a world of debt. Her monthly income is $2,300 from Social Security and a pension, but she owes $3,800 a month to Wyndham. She's so embarrassed that she has not told her family about what happened to her.
I feel ashamed that I let Wyndham literally talk me into these things.
Mrs. Folds is suing Wyndham, charging theft by conversion, fraud, and violations of Tennessee's Consumer Protection Act. Her attorney, Judson Phillips, says she's not alone.
So how many people are there out there that are like Mildred? I wish I could give you an answer. Actually, I can give you an answer. Far too many.
Phillips says he has not heard one word from Wyndham's lawyer, but we did. Attorney Gene Podesta told us this is ongoing litigation, and I am not permitted nor interested in making a comment to you at this time. Lori Ford with Wyndham Vacation Resorts thanked us for reaching out to them, but was unable to comment on pending litigation. Mrs. Folds has her canned goods ready for sale. She also has her knitted items good to go too. She sells these items to support herself, all because of her obligation to Wyndham Vacation Resorts.
You don't sleep well at night. I promise you. You get up and walk the floor wondering, how am I going to juggle to get everything paid?
Adding insult to injury, Mrs. Folds could not stay at a Wyndham timeshare even if she wanted to. She says all those 3 million points are going to maintenance fees for a timeshare she cannot use. The purchase of timeshares and the sale of timeshares both generate a lot of complaints at the Better Business Bureau. That agency says evaluate your own needs when meeting to buy or sell a points for a timeshare, and do not let salespeople dictate what your needs are. If they try high pressure, get up and walk out.